Hey everyone, if you're on the lookout for the best tools to make earth drilling easier and more efficient, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 augers of 2025, each one tested and rated for performance, durability, and value. Whether it's planting, fence posts, or heavy-duty digging, we've got something for every project. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, we have the Hitkun Auger drill bit for planting is a heavy-duty garden tool designed to simplify tasks like planting bulbs and digging post holes. Crafted from durable PCM steel, it attaches to any standard 3/8 hex drive drill, making it user-friendly for both novice and experienced gardeners. A notable advantage is its efficiency in creating uniform holes quickly, reducing manual labor. However, some users have reported that the auger can become hot during extended use, necessitating breaks to prevent overheating. Let's look at what customers have to say about this auger. After carefully considering its features and customer feedback, I'd rate it 4.4 out of 5. This high rating reflects overall customer satisfaction with its performance and durability. At number 4, we have the Hitkun Auger drill bit is a reliable and efficient tool for gardening enthusiasts, though users should be mindful of potential heating during prolonged use. The Hitkun Auger drill bit for planting is a heavy-duty tool designed to simplify gardening tasks. Crafted from high-quality PCM steel, it ensures durability and longevity. The auger measures 1.6 inches in diameter and 16.5 inches in length, making it ideal for planting bulbs and small plants. A notable advantage is its ability to dig through various soil types efficiently, reducing the need for manual labor. However, some users have reported that the auger can become hot after extended use, necessitating breaks during prolonged tasks. Customers have left some of their feedback. Let's look at some of them. Based on all of its features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, I'd rate it a fair 4.4 out of 5. This indicates a high level of customer satisfaction, with the majority of users praising its performance and build quality. The Hitkun Auger drill bit is a reliable and efficient tool for gardeners seeking to expedite their planting process. At number 3, we have the Extreme Power US 1500W Industrial Electric Post Hole Digger. Features a robust 1500 watt motor delivering up to 90 ft-lb of torque, ideal for digging post holes for fences, decks, or tree planting. Equipped with a 6-inch auger bit and ergonomic anti-vibration handles, it ensures efficient and comfortable operation. A major pro is its electric power source, eliminating the need for gas, but some users find the tool a bit heavy for prolonged tasks. Some of the customers have left their feedback regarding the product. So let's highlight a few of them. After looking at its features and customer feedback, I'd rate it a solid 4.5 out of 5. The Extreme Power US Electric Post Hole Digger is a dependable and powerful choice for heavy-duty earth drilling, with high customer satisfaction for its performance and build quality. Coming in at number 2, we have the Weldtech Auger Wood Drill Bit 3x17. Features a welded cutting edge for enhanced durability, an aggressive screw pitch for faster drilling, and wide flutes for efficient chip removal. Its 7/16-inch quick change shank makes it versatile for various applications, including drilling through nail-embedded wood. A minor drawback is its extended length, which can be challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. Customers have a lot to say about the product, so let's have a look at them. After considering its features and customer feedback, I'd rate it a solid 4.7 out of 5. The Weldtech Auger drill bit is a well-reviewed tool, praised for its durability and efficiency, making it a reliable choice for woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Topping the list at number 1, we have the Weldtech 5/8-inch x 17-inch ship Auger bit. Features a welded hard cutting edge for enhanced durability and longevity. Its wide flutes facilitate efficient chip removal, and the 7/16-inch quick change impact shank offers versatility across various drilling applications. The welded cutting edge significantly extends the bit's lifespan, especially when drilling through nail-embedded wood. The 17-inch length may be excessive for users requiring a more compact bit for confined spaces. Customers have left a lot of feedback. Let's look at some of them here. After careful consideration of its features and customer feedback, this auger bit holds a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. The Irwin WeldTech Ship Auger bit is highly regarded for its durability and performance, making it a reliable choice for professionals tackling demanding wood drilling tasks. That's our list of the top 5 augers of 2025. If this helped you make a choice or discover a new favorite tool, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.